Discover the secret weapon every real estate investor needs: mastering property comps using Zillow and Redfin. First, let's fire up Zillow and Redfin. Both platforms offer powerful tools for finding comparable properties, or comps, but they each have their own quirks, so let's explore them together. Starting with Zillow, type in the address of your subject property into the search bar. Zillow's strength lies in its extensive data. You can easily find property details such as beds, baths, square footage, lot size, and even tax history, giving you a comprehensive overview of similar properties in the area. Now, scroll down to find the nearby homes sold section. This is your goldmine. Over to Redfin. Again, search for your subject property's address. Redfin is fantastic for its focus on agent-listed properties and their accuracy. Redfin often updates quicker than Zillow because of its direct feed from the MLS, or multiple listing service. Now, here's the crucial part: filtering on both Zillow and Redfin. Refine your search by adjusting filters. Look for properties within a similar radius, ideally a quarter mile. Matching property type, like single-family homes, comparable beds, baths, and square footage, and most importantly, a recent sale date, ideally within the last 6 months. Redfin shines with its days on market data, indicating how quickly a property sold, which can reflect current market demand. Pay close attention to the condition of the comps. Are they renovated or original? Adjust your valuation accordingly. Remember to look at multiple properties. 5 to 10 is a good range, and average the sale prices to get a realistic range for your subject property's value. Zillow's user-generated data can sometimes be inaccurate, so always verify with local records. Redfin's reliance on MLS data makes it more reliable, but might exclude some off-market sales. By leveraging both platforms and cross-referencing information, you'll gain a much more accurate picture of your property's true market value.